Microsoft and Google are building AI tools that will create full presentations for me, chat with me about the contents of my spreadsheets, or just write full emails, all directly into the software I've gotten used to over the decades. The future's here. Welcome back to AI in the Family, where we explore how this new world of AI tools can positively impact our family. This recent explosion of artificial intelligence applications and integrations may feel very sudden, but the science of artificial intelligence is close to 80 years old. Today, we're traveling back in time to look at a few of the key milestones in the fascinating evolution of AI, from the legendary Turing Test to our current ChatGPT. Let's dive right in. AI was born in the 1950s with the Turing Test and the Dartmouth Conference. The Turing Test was proposed by Alan Turing in 1950, and this simple yet brilliant idea was a test of a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to or indistinguishable from a human's. Now, for a little perspective, when Alan Turing was considering how to test if a machine could fool a person into thinking it wasn't a machine, the first pocket calculator wouldn't even be available for another 20 years. The Dartmouth Conference was held in 1956, and it's recognized as the first gathering specifically aimed at discussing and advancing the concept of AI. It was here that the term artificial intelligence was coined by co-organizer John McCarthy, marking the start of AI as a field of study. Moving on to the 60s, we saw the development of the first AI programs. One noteworthy example is ELIZA, which simulated conversation by using a pattern matching and substitution methodology. This meant ELIZA could feel like conversation, while in fact she was simply rephrasing and mirroring back the user's statements. Unfortunately, the lavish promises and the limited realities of AI in the 60s and 70s led to what's known as an AI winter in the 1980s. This was a time of drastic funding cuts in the field of artificial intelligence. But research did continue, and the 90s brought huge shifts. Data-driven machine learning took the stage. In 1996, world chess champion Garry Kasparov beat Deep Blue, an AI program by IBM. But just the following year, Kasparov lost to the AI in their rematch. Continuing with AI and humans on game night, we'll fast forward to 2011, where IBM's new AI system, Watson, won the game show Jeopardy against two of the show's champions. Now, here's where things start to get exciting for us non-scientists. By 2015, the type of AI training known as deep learning was greatly accelerated by the advent of Google's foundational architecture called transformers, which helped to make AI more relatable and, importantly, conversational. In 2018, using this new transformers model, the company OpenAI launched the GPT-2 large language model. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Considered a significant step in artificial intelligence, GPT-2 wrote a convincing essay on a topic that the scientists themselves disagreed with. Now, to this point, AI had been in the realm of scientists and software developers. But that all changed on November 30th, 2022, not even 11 months ago as I'm recording this, when OpenAI released what they considered a small proof of concept application called ChatGPT. Within 5 days, they had 1 million registered users. And for a little contrast, it took Facebook almost a year to reach 1 million users when it first launched. As we talked about at the beginning, the largest companies are now rapidly baking AI right into their decades-old flagship products. And there are already thousands of smaller applications available. You can find a growing list of tools and applications for writing, marketing, art, and more at the site futuretools.io. They're not a sponsor. I have no affiliation. I just think it's a cool site. The imagined future of Alan Turing's 1950s is unfolding right in front of us. It may feel intimidating at the moment, but I think we'll find it empowering once we fully grasp AI's potential. Thanks for watching to the end. And if you found this valuable, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more AI-focused videos. Ring the bell icon to stay up to date on our latest releases, and together we can figure out how to use AI in the family.